Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov. This is the next day from our nail studio. We keep on showing you amazing tutorials of working with gel nails. And my brother Andrew helps me with it. Now you see him removing the gel from the nail plate. He works with the barrel gel bit, which is perfect for this work. And as always, I'm trying to make a maximum detailed video. Now he's working with the pusher and rolling down cuticles. You have to do it to the limit because it's necessary to remove the skin and pterygia from the nail plate, because we don't want to face with liftings. And we're famous with our long-staying gel nails because we prepare the nail plate perfectly, so we pay maximum attention on it. And of course, using high quality products allow us to achieve such amazing results. All tools and products you can order in our online store, shapeofnail.com. You can order it no matter where you are. We ship products to any country, even to New Zealand, Australia, to Africa, no matter. It takes about 2 weeks, not more. And you will get all products in highest quality, and you are protected if something will go wrong, or will send you products again to make you happy. And now you see Andrew working with nippers and primering nails. It's also important to apply thin layer of the base gel. We have the special extra strong base gel in our store. You can use this one to prepare nails to the maximum. I mean, it stays perfectly on the nail plate. It's like something like double-sided Scotch tape. This gel is amazing. And of course, the sculpting mix gel. This is the second one gel which help us to achieve such results. You can mix with this gel with the base gel, not extra strong base gel, I mean thick base gel, to apply the consistency that you need. And soon, guys, I will present in my store already mixed gel, which is more liquid than sculpting mix gel. These gels will have adorable colors. You don't have to mix anything, just order these gels and work with them. And you can be sure that your the quality of your work will be on the highest level. As you can see, client by client, they're all satisfied with the result, and they're coming back after 2 or 3 months. Some of them, I mean. It means that nails stay on for a long time. And as you can see, we have on the natural nail plate no gapes, no liftings, no anything, no problems. it seems that this client had never had any experiments with gel products. It means that the all products doesn't cause any don't cause any allergic reactions and don't spoil the nail plate. This is what about the technique we use? As you can see, my brother is using the small ball gel bit at the end of the process. It helps him to prepare the nail plate perfectly. Now Andrew is working with the gel paint and he's covering the nail with beautiful chocolate color. The collection of colors of gel paint you can also find in my online store, and he's using also thin brush number 00 to draw in hidden places to achieve the amazing effect of covering the gel polish under cuticles. And he's drawing geometric nail design using the black gel paint of the brand Giorgio Cappuccini. And this gel paint is very good for drawing such compositions. And as you noticed, my brother doesn't like drawing with acrylic paint. He enjoys drawing with gel paint because it's comfortable to draw on the tacky layer. It's easy, it's fast. He doesn't like spend his time on mixing colors, using palettes, something else. He just likes to open the jar, take the brush and work quickly with these gel paints. You can be sure, guys, that this technique is the latest. You can learn it, and this guy is working every day. He's trying to improve his technique, and he doesn't like to look on somebody's technique. He just does his work perfectly. And I can give you an advice to learn his deal, to learn his technique, because you can be sure that this is the high-end technique and this is the professional skills, because he's not a poser. He's working every day and earn money, not showing you circus or showing you a special show. He doesn't do any manipulations. He just working on the quality and on his image. He wants to be the best in this industry like you, and this is the great chance for you to learn all these things, not from the person who wants to earn money on his lessons. He just opening for you his secrets, everything he knows. And as you can see, he finished this nail design. The design is fantastic, original. What do you think about these nails, this nail design? Click like, subscribe to our channel. We will see tomorrow in the new video. Bye bye. I love you guys. See you the next video.